Okay, we have an elevator that got modernized with ECC.
Should I hit it? You got it. This is my second ECC elevator.
Used to be in the United States with SoftTouch, but unfortunately, this mod looks not terrible actually.
Oh, that's the weird floor announcement.
Going down.
G1? We're on G2 right now.
I wonder why it's labeled that way. Usually it's one at the top. I like that for passive chime. Let me send it up to 1.
Garage 1.
I like these buttons.
Going up.
Some of my favorite generic buttons.
Yeah, this button's a little bit different.
I don't like the voice though.
Yeah, the voice is a little bit weird. The startup is kind of weird.
Mm-hmm.
First floor.
Should you go down?
There's another one.
Okay. Send this one down there.
Going down.
I think the other one's on the other side.
That's it for this one.